Hello everyone, my name is Angela Simmons and I'm going to present on the usage of mobile technology in libraries. Mobile technology is increasing in use and accessibility, and libraries that want to stay at the technological forefront, as well as increase patron experience and engagement, will have to find creative ways to use or enhance their mobile technology services. Mobile technology includes laptops, cell phones, e-readers, tablets, hotspots, and apps and websites used on these devices. There are several vendors that libraries partner with to help offer mobile technology services to their patrons, including cell phone companies to offer hotspots, companies like Overdrive/Libby, Hoopla, Cloud Library, Tumblebooks, and Flipster to offer e-resources, Gale Courses, Learning Express, and Duolingo to provide virtual learning, Zoom for virtual programming, and many more. Many libraries have services that use mobile technology, whether it be free Wi-Fi and charging stations for patrons, mobile apps for audio and ebook checkouts, QR codes and hashtags for patron engagement, offering STEM maker spaces, virtual programming such as story times or classes, virtual reference services, or simply being sure that the library's website is as functional on mobile devices as it is on desktops. Other libraries have had to adapt since the pandemic has forced them to become more dependent on technology, and many more libraries can and should increase their use of mobile technology to provide accessible services to all patrons. One of the largest challenges facing library patrons of all ages and backgrounds is the digital divide. Not all patrons are going to have access to technology or up-to-date technology, and they may also not have home internet access. Many libraries are currently helping to bridge the gap of the digital divide by having item checkouts, such as laptops, iPads and tablets, e-readers, and hotspots, and by having high-speed Wi-Fi that is connected 24/7 and reaches the parking lot, in case the library is closed when someone needs to come type a paper, send a critical email, or apply for a job. Comfortable places to sit inside the library or workspaces, as well as computer workstations and printers, are also great tools that libraries can offer to help patrons that may not have access to these items at home. Our great list of community resources can also help patrons. Examples of community resources that may help with mobile technology include PCs for People and AT&T's Affordable Internet program. Several studies have been done to see how libraries are using mobile technology, including its usage in urban and rural libraries and academic institutions, and there are several accolades and praises, but also encouragement to do more. An ALA press release from April 2020 shared updates on how libraries have increased technology usage since the COVID-19 pandemic, not only to help with patron engagement, but also to help patrons learn and work remotely through device checkouts and expanded services. As of that date, 74% of libraries expanded their online services and 61% of libraries added virtual programming. David Lee King recently wrote that libraries need to make sure that high-speed Wi-Fi and other types of technology are a budgetary priority, as even for libraries with small budgets, this gives them the means to move forward into the future with their patrons. Mobile technology is booming, especially since the beginning of the COVID-19 pandemic. Many doctors began conducting virtual appointments, retail spaces began more efforts to have contactless or cashless transactions, and ordering online, including apps like Shipt and Instacart for grocery delivery, increased dramatically. Dependability will continue to increase, which is why libraries should help with the accessibility whenever possible. Check with your local library and learning institutions to view their mobile technology offerings, as well as their technology checkout offerings and policies to help bridge any digital divide concerns. I also highly recommend that current LAS students read David Lee King's recent research regarding mobile technology in libraries, either by purchasing his work through the ALA store or finding it in your favorite learning database such as EBSCO. These are the references that I used during this presentation, and if anyone has any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you so much.